Welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the process of creating Discord account right from your PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, open any web browser you like. I'm using Chrome. In the search bar, type Discord and hit enter. Click on the first result. This will take you to the official Discord homepage. Once the page loads, you'll see a login button on the top right corner. Click on it and you'll redirect to login page. Look for the register button. Click on it, and you'll begin setting up your Discord account. Start by entering an email address you have access to, as you'll need it for verification. Next, write a display name that you'd like to be identified by on Discord. After that, pick a unique username that represents you. Make sure it's something cool that your friends can easily recognize. Now it's time to create a strong password. Make sure it's something secure yet memorable. After that, enter your date of birth. Keep in mind that you need to be at least 13 years old to join Discord, so select your birthday carefully. Next, you'll see a checkbox for receiving email updates. If you prefer not to receive them, simply keep it unchecked. Once you've filled in all these details, click Continue to proceed. You'll need to complete a simple verification to prove you're not a robot, so tick the box, I'm human, and fill in this CAPTCHA. It's simple, you just have to click on the object that's on the sample. Now, to activate your account, verify by email, then go to your email inbox and look for the message from Discord. Click on the link within that email to confirm your account. You're almost there. Confirm this CAPTCHA one more time by checking the box, and your Discord account is ready to use. Share your username and tag with friends so they can add you, or use theirs to connect with them. And that's how you create a new Discord account. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to ClickFix Tech for more insightful tutorials. Questions or comments? Drop them below and I'll be glad to guide you. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.